as you can see, the whole South Africa is so cold that I don't know whether I should cry or keep on telling that it's cold. There's been tornadoes, floods, and snow all over the country.
Ish, thank God for your electronic bowl. Hey, Rabutunyo Godia, sit inside it. This thing is close enough. Ah, bloody Eskom.
Yes. Get Eskom for give us pala.
Wait a minute. When I let Matarazika next door. Mataraswar na fedile malu. Your electronic rubbish if it jump Tarasware. Rotodi Amar.
Yeah, when I come home, Motolo. What do you rule breach?
Ah, Unyogo Hega Mataras.
I didn't see any other plan on the table. In fact, I didn't see the table at all.
Are you sure you know what you're doing? Ogasarota Tamulle.
Musha, electricity is my thing. Besides, Mutarasu Fedile, so I want Mutarasu can choke.
Oga Rola Falamo at least will collect grand money.
Even picture resistor, Nagokasahola. Let me show you how this is done.
Ah, Malum! Oshap! You will check out Mutarasu Tatamul at Leva. Can't resist. No.
Hush, Mutol. Mutawa, I really meet a box to Baragalesata. It's a setup, Mutol.
You are not very smart, ne? It's so sad because your skin complexion is brighter than you. Hey, Ronaldo Motua Kokot. Stay put me resisto. Kawua, no. Hey, who the hell are you?
Dumela, Kenna George. I'm from Eskom.
Yeah, so?
Honale power grid failure and it appears to be caused by one of the houses around this area. Can I come in and check?
Aye, there's nothing wrong in here. Don't feel like a mataras. Now it's a Maya before you just CV it like away. CV? Sir!
Brother, calm down. I'm here to help. You are not the only one who doesn't have electricity. The whole neighborhood is out.
Serras?
Struce Bob. Mutata Shiv. This is basically a ticking time bomb.
Onyaga rompocharas plaganya na seke sona sa go cause the power failure.
Brother, Kompo Yamba Boko Haram is hazardous enough to cause multiple injuries, or even worse, multiple fatalities. Exposed cables, frayed cords. This house feels like walking in a jigsaw trap. You must not overload plugs or repurpose appliances. It is dangerous. Where's the meter box? And then, what happened here?
Hey, see, job it is once a occupation resistor happened. Maroska Wara, he learned this lesson.
Only a qualified electrician from Eskom can open this box.
Hey.
Hala, Jote di Tamakateleno.
Hey, Malum. When I let me regisho mungo di amagwinya ga transformer oil gwa kuni.
Oh, ring it. How? I'm calling Eskom.